Isolate the power first. Check it with multimeter. We start with taking off the original fitting. Make a note of the wiring before taking off the old fittings. Let's add a polystyrene sealing rose to enhance the appearance. This is the new ceiling light we'll be installing. All wired up and installed. Polystyrene ceiling rose will go on last due to being too high. Before the frosted cups go in, we'll test to make sure all works fine. One by one, using supplied tool, not over tightened. Bulbs will go in last. Looking smashing, Masha Allah.